Hello, good morning dear students. So let us solve numericals based on mechanical properties of fluids. So as in the previous video, last class we have studied the applications of surface tension, okay, and the effect of temperature on surface tension, and also we got to know how the surface tension decreases with the rise in temperature, and also we have discussed the capillarity, the definition of the capillarity also. Now let us solve the numerical, a very simple numerical. The question is that calculate the pressure on diver who dives in water. Okay, so diver 100 meter below the surface of an ocean. So we need to find out the pressure on this diver who is diving into the ocean at a depth of how much? 100 meter below the surface of an ocean. And he has given him the atmospheric pressure is how much? 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. It's a very simple numerical. So first of all, we will get the given data. So the given data is atmospheric pressure is how much? 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. And here he has given the height, it is 100 meter. So here you will take the acceleration due to gravity, so we will take it as 10 meter per second square. Okay. So we know that, so let us find the pressure. So we know that when this diver is diving inside the depth of how much? That is 100 meter below the surface of an ocean. This is the surface. This is the surface. So here we have to find the pressure on this diver. Okay. So there, how can you find out? Take the pressure P is equal to atmospheric pressure plus, that is rho g h. Okay. So here rho means density of water. As you know that density of water is 10 to the power of 3 kg per cubic meter. As density means mass by volume. So atmospheric pressure is how much here? 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 plus rho means 10 to the power of 3 into 10 is acceleration due to gravity into height is how much? 100. Okay. So now we can calculate 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5, 3 plus these two zeros. Okay. It becomes 10 into 10 to the power of 5. If we take the common, there is 10 to the power of 5, then it will be 11.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square. So this much of amount is going to be, pressure is going to be on the diver who is at the below surface of an ocean of how much? 100 meter. So this is the required solution for this question. Okay, we have found out the pressure on a diver who is at 100 meter below the surface of an ocean. So very simple numerical. Okay, so here we have taken the pressure of this water. So water pressure is how much? Rho GH plus this atmospheric pressure PA plus this P. Pressure which is at the depth of 100 meter. No? So we have taken it as rho GH. Okay, so note all this. So our next question is, a base of rectangular vessel measures 10 centimeter into 18 centimeter. Water is poured into a depth of 4 centimeter. So what is the pressure on the base of a vessel? We have to find out. And also we have to find out what is the thrust on the base of the vessel. Thrust means force on the base of a vessel, that we have to calculate. So first of all we will write the given data here. So the given data is that he is given the area of the base, that is area of the base of a rectangle. Okay, यहाँ पे area दिया है, area of a rectangle, that is 10 into 18, that is 10 centimeter into 18 centimeter. It is 180 centimeter square. So which will be converted into, that is meter, that is 180 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. Okay. Now this is the area. Now depth, how much is given? H equal to 4 centimeter, which is 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. Okay. Now first of all we will find out the pressure here. Pressure on the base of a vessel, and also take here G as 10 meter per second square. Okay. So for our first question, what is the pressure on the base of a vessel? So for that P is equal to rho Ga. Okay. So rho means it is density of water. We will take rho as 10 to the power of 3 kg per cubic meter. So 10 to the power of 3 into 10 into 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So it will be 4 into 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 2. So it will be 4 into 10 to the power of 2 Newton per meter square is the pressure on the base of the vessel. We are calculating only the base here, on the base here. The question is that what is the pressure on the base of a vessel? Now next, what is the thrust on the base of a vessel? So thrust on the base of a vessel, that means force F equal to, that is, we know that pressure is given by F by A, so which can be done as F equal to P into A. So if you are taking it as P into A, pressure into area. Now pressure is how much? 4 into 10 to the power of 2 into area 180 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So 180 into 4 into 2 minus 4, it will be minus 2. So 180, or also you can write it as 180 into 4, that is, or 1 minus 2, that is 10 to the power of minus 1. So 18 into 4, so it will be 2, 3, that is 52, that is 0.52. Okay, so which will be the 5.2 will be the Newton, will be the force on the vessel. Okay, so this will be the answer. So we have found the force. Force means pressure into area, and here we have found the pressure. Okay, so note down this. So next we will go to solve the next numerical problem. So before the second question we have calculated there that we have got it has 1, that is 180, that is 18 into 4 into 10 to the power of minus 1 we got there. So 32 means it will be 72 will be the answer. So point here is 7.2 is equal to 7.2. So previously written there 5.2 there, it will be 7.2 Newton. 18 4, so that is 72, that is 7.2 Newton. So now coming to this question, a drawing pin is pushed against a wooden table. There is a wooden table. On that, a drawing pin is pushed with a force of how much? 20 Newton. There is a drawing board, drawing pin. It is pushed against a wooden table with a force of how much? That is 20 Newton. So we will write a given data that F is equal to 20 Newton. Force is how much? 20 Newton. Now calculate the pressure. Means we have to calculate the pressure here. Pressure exerted by the pin at a point on the table if area of the point is 0.1 millimeter square. So here area is given, that is 0.1 millimeter square. So it can be done 0.1 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square. Okay. So this will be the area here. Now we need to calculate the pressure. We know force and area. So very simple. So we know that pressure is equal to F by A. So therefore F is how much? 20. Area is 0.1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Then if I remove this point here, then it goes to numerator, it becomes 200 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Then it will be 200 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton per meter square. So which will be P is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square. Will be the answer. Okay. So 20 is the force, and here area is how much? 0.1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So 0.1 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So if I remove this decimal point, then it will be 1 divided by 10. So 10 goes to the numerator. So for your easy understanding, I am explaining it step by step. It becomes 200 10 to the power of minus 6. So 200 into 10 to the power of, again it goes to the numerator. It becomes 4 plus 6. So 200 into 10 to the power of 6. It calculated as 2 into 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square is the pressure which is going to be acting on the table. Okay. So pressure exerted by the pin at a point on the table is how much? 2 into 10 to the power of 8 Newton per meter square. If that area of the point is 0.1 millimeter square. Okay. So this is the today's numerical which was solved. It's a very simple numericals. In the next class we'll solve few more numericals. Okay. Thank you.